You've seen people present their drawings on ArchiCAD so beautifully like this, and you wonder how they do it. Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you in a few simple clicks. So, when you open your elevation, you right click, you go to elevation setting. When it pops up, you go to model setting, you go to model appearance. We have cut elements, uncut elements. You understand? So here it deals with the feel of any of this, deals with element that you cut. This deals with element that you cut or slice. It works more on section, so it shows the color of the wall as black, so you can actually give it any feel you want. So you go here, you set it on surface color fill, then you check the color, uniform color, to make it black. So you can come here and then choose it to be whatever color you want, but then we're going to leave it at black. Then you go to uncut elements. Here, any element that you not cut, that you are not slicing, that you have seen. So here we're going to choose texture field because you want to see the texture. If it's brick, it's going to show you. If it's iron, if it's stucco, you select here. Then you check uncut pen color, so you make it uniform so that it will become the same color. Because if you check the design, beam has its own uncut line, which is teal color. We have columns have red, the wall have its own color. So these are going to make it general. Then you cut here surface cover fill foreground, so you check it so that it shows you. So here transparency deals with glass, and if you don't want to see the element on the other side, you check it. Then you go down. So this one deals with any element that is far from your focus is going to appear faded or blur. Then you come down, you go to shadows, you check this, you're done. Then you say okay. You see, now you see our building is looking more nicer than when I first opened it. So if you zoom in,